Hey guys, for once I'm up during the daytime, and I just wanted to record this little video for you, and I'll try to make it as clear as possible as usual. But today I wanted to talk about how when you're studying development, there's a tendency to shoot for the stars, which is exactly what you should do. But I think it lends itself to people not living in the moment and people forgetting about the present. I think that whether or not you achieve great fame or great contribution to the human race, whether or not it seems great to you, a life well lived is still a life well lived. Wherever you are, if you live it to the best of your abilities, you're constantly trying to get better, then you can be proud of that life. And that's one of the most important things. The reason I say this is not so that you set your sights lower, because I think, in fact, if you adopt this mindset that wherever you are, you do the best that you can, it will ultimately lead you to where you are. Again, I'll quote John Wooden. Success is a direct realization. You know, wow, let me look this up. I'm sorry, guys. I always butcher this one. Success is John Wooden. Boom. Success is peace of mind attained through self-satisfaction in knowing you made the effort to do the best of which you are capable. Okay. John Wooden is the UCLA basketball coach, won 10 championships in a row. And, not everyone's LeBron James, not everyone's Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. But if you achieve the best of your potential, you can maybe even be more proud than those guys if they didn't achieve the best of their potential. And the reason you want this mindset is not so that you set your sights low. In fact, you will probably go further than you ever thought possible if you adopt the mindset that today is what matters and that's what you'll focus on. Wherever you are, do your best and more will come to you. What's the last quote? It's like, so I forgot who it was. Maybe it was Shakespeare or someone, but they talk about if the gods look down on you and you're a street sweeper, let the gods say that that was the best street sweeper there ever was. Wherever you are, do your best, and more shall be given to you.